There is another way to end a loop, and that is using the break statement. Um, and the break statement can be used in a similar way to have a code result that's very similar to what we had before, right? So I can say, use this code in this way. And what happens here is once it gets past the print statement, it actually uses an if inside to check and see if x is equal to 4. And then if it does, it breaks the loop. Whenever you encounter a break statement, wherever it's at in the loop, it immediately stops executing that loop. So it'll skip whatever code is after it if it's not the last thing, and it will immediately stop and continue on executing the code that follows that. So again, the order of things matters.